Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the file so nothing is lost. Save now. Next, decide why you need to stop editing for review, distribution, or archival, because that determines the method. Once decided, turn off track changes and accept or reject edits so the document state is definitive. Then pick either read-only, restrict editing, or export to PDF. Make sure to check for comments and resolve them. If you skip that, readers will still see notes. You now apply protection. Open Review, choose Restrict Editing, and select the precise limitations, filling forms only, no changes, or track changes only, because broad rules avoid mistakes. Once set, enter a password when prompted and write it down securely. Without it, you can't reverse protection. If you're in an enterprise, enable information protection or rights management so permissions follow the file. Finally, test by opening a copy, and you finish by choosing the final delivery format. Export to PDF for a truly non-editable version, or keep a protected docx if you need control. Once done, inspect and remove metadata so hidden edits or comments aren't leaked. This protects privacy. Make sure to keep an unprotected master copy in a secure place. If someone reports they cannot edit and should, check password issues first. Restore from backup, or use approved recovery tools if the password is lost.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.